Hey there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. Got a real good weekly showcase today. I know I'm behind a little bit on the weekly showcases. I'll get those all uploaded. Anyway, this is a weekly showcase for the week of Monday, April 18th, 2022. So let's jump right into it. First case I have is a 4x8 black and red with one strap. I'm going to run through a lot of these real quick. You guys know what they are. So this one says LDA on the pocket. Very cool. And has a red 4x8 interior. We got some really neat ones here this week, so we'll be getting to those as we go through this. This is a 4x8 with backpack straps, black and yellow, with two pockets, one long pocket, one small pocket. So gives a little bit different look on there. Yellow stitching and a blue interior. Okay, moving on here, I've got a black and green 3x6. Black with green stitching, green piping, green pocket sides, and a blue interior. Alright, moving on from there, we have a purple and gold 2x5/3x4 with one strap with gold stitching, 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts, made for Professor Q. Thank you, Professor. Your knowledge of Q cases and which ones are the best is excellent. Okay, this is a burgundy and also gold or tan here, 4x8 with a burgundy interior, and this one also says made for PRS. Okay. Moving on here, we have a black and white, black, white, and gray. Gray pocket sides, white zipper pulls, white stitching, with blue interior, 3x6. There you go. And I have a similar one here. This is black with white stitching and white accents, white zipper pulls. This one is a 2x5, 3x4. Alright, then we're going to do a little throwback here. This is a colorful case that's similar to one that we did years ago. So it's a multicolor case here. You can see almost every part on here has a different color. How cool is that? Look at that. With yellow stitching, orange zipper pulls, green zipper pulls, pink zipper pulls. This case has a taller lid. It's a 3x4, 2x5, just like that. And the taller lid has a magnetic pocket inside. You can see there that we've got a space inside for small things. And it fits just like that. So there you go. Alright, then moving on here, we've got a navy blue and black 2x3 with JB cases right there. Thank you very much on the pocket. One strap. Also has JB cases on top. Thank you for that. With a blue interior. Alright, then we move to a Super USA Patriotic case here. This one looks pretty cool. Look at this. This is a 2x3 red, white, and blue. So red, white, and blue. We got a great USA on there. Look at the USA with the outline. American flag. KJ also outlined right there. White stitching. Big USA on the back. Also outlined. Very cool. And This one also has, you'll notice, the strap on the side of the case. See how that is? So that's by request. Very custom. And this one has a blue, tournament blue interior. There you go. Rocking on in the USA. All right. This one here is burgundy and black. This is a Miscue lounge case. So you look here, SW, then we got a really cool Miscue on there, and then Miscue right here. Awesome. Backpack straps. This is a 3x6 with a black interior. There you go. Alright, next one I have up here, this is a 4x8, black and orange. A really nice stitching there. It says Barons. Orange zipper pulls with an orange interior. Alright, so that'll do it for that cart. Pop this over here. You want to call Don and get him to start packing? Okay. And here we got a bunch of goodies over here. So this one is black and orange, another black and orange here. We got a pretty cool orange 5-ball on there. And it says Cast Chase right there, and then BAQs. How cool is that? With a single strap, orange stitching, and a blue, royal blue interior. There you go. Royal blue or blue? Is it just blue? Blue? Cat blue? Okay, then here I have a leather case. This is a 2x5, 3x4, all veg tan leather. Dark chocolate brown right there, very nice. Look how beautiful that case is. And then of course we have our magnetic latch. See how that works? And 2 butts and 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts. There you go, very cool. Does this one have a 3/4 pocket in here? Easy to get into with our wraparound zipper. And there you go. Alright, this one here, it looks like we got some sports teams going on there that the customer likes. Big 9-ball, says Chucky with an 8-ball on there. I like that black on black there, it looks kind of cool. The 8-ball on there, there you go. It's a little bit of a sleeper. Single strap. Taller lid. Let's see what we have in the lid here. We have a ball holder with an orange interior, 3 butts, 6 shafts. Alright, moving on here, I got a really, really wild one. Really wild. Alright, this is a solo case style patchwork with a funky patchwork going on. This has got a little bit of everything in it. This is when we take our materials and we kind of mix them all together, and we just let it come out, whatever comes out, and there you go. So pretty cool. Alright, this is a 3x6 with a blue interior. Very, very cool. I can't pause that. Alright. Here I have a yellow and black case right here. This is yellow and black with the yellow piping, yellow stitching, and a 3x6 interior. There you go. Hey, this has a, you get that? That one longer than normal too? Yep, a little bit. Can't tell. Alright. Next one here is a navy blue and yellow. And you got like a cougar or something on there. And then Pittsburgh Panthers, so it's a panther. And then Pitt Here, there it is. Pit. All right. Backpack straps, yellow stitching, yellow zipper pulls, kind of a golden zipper pull, I guess. And 4x8. There you go. Okay, next one I have here. This is a 4x8, black and orange and white. So white piping on here, white zipper pulls, single strap. And this has a magnetic lid on top, so a flip top lid with a magnetic. There you go. So watch this. And that's how that works. Awesome. All right, is that everything? Let's see here. Let me put that back on here so I don't lose it. Make sure we send the right case to the right person. All right, this one here is a 4x8, black and yellow and white. Penguins. What do we have here? Pittsburgh, I think. Is it also Pittsburgh? Pittsburgh Penguins? No. Can't have the Penguins in Pittsburgh, is it?
I think so.
Is it really? Oh, maybe it is. Okay. 4 butts, 8 shafts. It's so funny for someone who doesn't really watch sports. So this here is a leather oil tan case. Very beautiful. Oh, let me get the handle right there. There we go. Backpack straps. 4 butts, 8 shafts. There you go. This is leather smell right here. Yummy. Takes me back to my childhood when I used to go into Wilson's Leather. There you go. Oh, here we go. What's this? This is JB Cases. John Barton. Made by John Barton. Okay. With my signature on it. You guys see that? And this is also oil tin. Basically the same case as the one you just saw. With a taller lid. And this lid, so there's a 4x8, and this lid has a magnetic space inside for lots of stuff. And there you go. See how neatly that fit on there? Watch, let's do that again. I love that. Alrighty. Anything else? Custom?
Nope.
Did I get them all? I didn't get that one in the back. No, I didn't. I didn't finish. I didn't finish those. I see one back there I didn't finish. Ah, there's a whole side here. See? Okay, this one here is a printed case. So this is a sublimated case that we sublimated on for to get the design that the customer wanted. So there you go. How cool is that? Black and white with just a hint of, looks like just a barest hint of blue in there in the bottom. Four butts, 8 shafts. Very cool. I just keep falling off. Driving me nuts. All right, this one here is blue and gray and white. Also Penn State. It's like we got a Pennsylvania dealer or somebody getting Penn State University. Oh, these are all from Shane? How cool. All right. Thank you, Shane. 4 butts, 8 shafts. All right, then I have another solo case here. This one is tweed. This one is like a tan tweed here with the solo type pockets. Pink zipper pulls, light pink, very cool, matching. 3 butts and 6 shafts with a beautiful pink interior. That one came out looking really pretty. Alrighty, and that'll do it. So that's it, folks. If you want us to build a case for you, jbcases.com. You can design one like these folks did for themselves, and just wait. You know, the wait's a little bit longer than people like, but the trade-off is that you're getting a lifetime case with a lifetime warranty, made exactly as you want it. So we will. We'll be happy to do it for you. I'm kind of lost right now. So anyway, you guys have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.